So I didn't post a video last week, but we're here now. First off, welcome to my closet. Here's my closet. We're in my room. Second off, yes, I did not post last week. I intended on posting, but the video I was working on is taking way longer to finish the project that goes with it. So yeah, but it's funny because I wasn't able to post. I didn't have anything ready last week. But now I'm gonna end up having like 4 videos ready by the end of this week, or 4 videos ready to be edited this week. So I went from being behind to like 3 weeks early. There's been a lot going on in life lately. But anywho, my birthday is coming up this Monday. So I thought, since I'm having a quarantine birthday, that I would make myself a birthday suit. Well, a birthday sweatsuit. I mean, I think it's a great idea. I think it's a great idea. Now, I was already gonna do this project, and then I was like, oh, this can be my birthday gift to myself. So I got this little wrap. It's my favorite color. I love this bluey, green, gray, jade, but robin egg blue kind of color. It's literally my most favorite color. Is it the same color as my eyes? Yes. Is that a little bit narcissistic? Probably. At least I'm self-aware about it, but it is my favorite color. And I saw this garment. I've had it for over a year. Why are the straps so long? Like, what am I supposed to do with these straps? Like, I get that it's supposed to wrap around your waist like once or twice, because I have wrap sweaters. I'm not completely dumb. I know how these work. But when I go to wrap it around my waist and it's very thick fabric, it's like I'd come up with a solution to this problem. I was like, wow, these are kind of the same length as my legs. I could add these onto the side of a pair of sweatpants, just plain sweatpants, and make it like a matching sweatsuit set. Sweatsuit birthday suit. I know it's like trendy to have matching loungewear, but I have always been into matching outfit sets. If I can find a picture of me in my Simba outfit, this was a matching outfit that had a Simba shirt with a Simba printed skirt. It was so cute, came that way. I wore this every time it was clean. I was the kind of kid, I would pull it out of the dirty laundry if I could. I was obsessed with matching sets since before I was in school. I thought, why don't we just make one? So the hard part, I think, for me personally, cutting these, it's gonna take a lot of like, inner energy to have the gall, the audacity to trim them. Second will be making sure that I get the seam right on the side. This is probably going to take me 2 days to do, I think. Also, I'll be hand sewing this because our sewing machine is not working at the moment. But honestly, I prefer to hand sew. I don't know what's wrong with me. You tell me. And I think what I might want to do is how am I going to do this? I'm going to pin this just because I have trust issues. So we're going to do that really quick. Just a few. I think 3 is enough, honestly. So how was everyone's day? Mind you, I teach like virtually in an hour, so I only really have time to pin this. So we have one leg pinned perfectly straight, as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna set that leg down, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll try to figure out the rest of whatever is going on, because I don't know. I'm nervous. But like, if this turns out sickening, I'm so excited. I love gray and this blue, gray, green color together. A pan, put a pan in it. There went in. There, that looks like the seams are perfect. And of course, there is some more in the back, but that's because of the cut of the pant. There's room for your booty. What I am thinking is kind of folding this in half, essentially. I don't know. See, they have this nice little diagonal thing, and I haven't decided if I want to like leave that as flare or not. Like, would that look cool? Like, that might be a cute little bit of flare. I just have to make sure I do it right on both sides. Like, should I leave it so that it ends in a little diagonal? Like, is that cute? Is that a look? That won't work. Darn it. Actually, those are my dogs. Okay. So I'm going to have to pin now. If I had fabric chalk, this would be so much easier right now. Okay, this is gonna take a while to pin, so I'm gonna put you on time lapse. So here's one side, but I feel like that looks pretty straight. In fact, I have a mirror over here. Be right back. Yeah, that looks pretty straight. And when I hold the pants up, like where they would be on my body, I feel like that is correct. Now I think it might be time to snip it off. I think I'm gonna be brave. It's funny, this feels scarier than when I did my hair cutting video because hair grows back. This won't. Okay, there. I pinned it in a little 90-degree angle. Ouch. I don't know how many times I've stabbed myself. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim it straight across. You know what? Sorry. It's just like when I cut my hair, I'm just as nervous. Actually, I'm way more nervous. Okay, here we go. One pant leg. And then I'll just slightly curl this and that looks so good. I think I'm gonna have to pin the other leg later, which I might do tonight. I won't bother filming that. And then tomorrow we'll start the sewing process. That'll give me time to find a solution to the top, but I am very pleased. Well, that concludes part 1 of this. I'm gonna go teach my virtual fitness class and I will see you tomorrow for some sewing. Very exciting. I'm so excited for this. Yay! Very important life update. I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can. This is all we have left. So I thought I would capture on film me finishing this project while my soup cooks on the stove. I apologize, we're in the kitchen. That's why you can hear the distiller. That is just the constant noise in my home. It's quite soothing, actually. We're so close, my dudes. Ouch. Oh yeah, my fingers are like red and I don't know if you can see, they just look red because they're kind of clammy now because I'm excited. We started this on Monday, didn't we? It's currently Saturday. It's almost 7 p.m. It's been a very exciting week. I'm so excited for my birthday on Monday. Birthdays are birthdays, but I'm making cake. I think that's why I'm excited for birthdays ever, is because it implies cake. And if you don't have cake on your birthday, like, what is your preferred treat on your birthday? Because, like, I can understand if you're like, I don't have cake, I have XYZ. Instead, I'm like, what's your thing? I figured out the first food, like, I only really do takeout food. I don't really like dining in restaurants. But the first takeout food that I want to get once I'm vaccinated and I feel like it's safe to purchase food made by other people is sushi rolls. I miss sushi so much. I just want one of every kind of veggie roll, some edamame, soup, because you know I love soup. We have soup almost every day over here for lunch/dinner. I've watched so many YouTube videos while getting this sewing project done. Would you really want to watch a 6-hour video of me sewing? No. We're so close. Also, how about Bernie Sanders mittens? I thought his mittens were cute. Like, they would actually go really well with this jacket. Shacket. It's a shacket. I'm very excited. I can't tell you why, because like the video's coming soon. I actually have a lot of videos coming soon. I'm excited for next Friday's video because it's me making a cake for my birthday, which I've never made a cake before, so it should be interesting. I'm excited for the video after that because it's another thing I've never tried before. And then the video after that is something I've been working on for the past few weeks. I'm finally getting done that I'm very excited for. And then the video after that is something I've been working on since October, I think. So I'm very excited for all of the videos I have lined up. And yes, I'm an Aquarius. For those of you who are into astrology, you would know that. You would get that. And my moon sign is Cancer, which makes a lot of sense too. Oh my gosh, I think we're like on the last stitch, you guys. This is an awkward angle for me, but it's the last stitch, so it's worth it. I think I'm gonna have to pull it through because the fabric's so thick here. Of course, it got tangled. Can you see that? It got tangled. We're so close. Don't worry, we'll do a try on after this. can't not do a try on. I'm actually gonna go right through there, only because that will mess with the pattern of the stitching, but also there. Awesome. Last stitches, I'm gonna do the knot. So how many of you have picked up sewing during quarantine? I used to sew matching like 2-piece or 3-piece set outfits for, they weren't American Girl dolls, they're Magic Attic dolls. If you know what Magic Attic dolls are, we can be best friends forever. But I used to make outfits for my doll. I had Allison, and then I later also got Megan secondhand. So I should have known as I became older that I would be obsessed. Tiny scissors. Bam. Cut, print, done. I should have known that I would love matching 2-piece outfit sets ever since I made about 3 billion of them for my dolls. Let me know if you want a doll outfit haul of all the outfits I made as a child for my dolls, because maybe I should remake some of them for myself, because like they be turning out looks. Try on haul next, but first I gotta eat. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Okay, are you ready for the grand outfit reveal? Ta-da! Here it is. Fashion. Here are the pants. Here's a little back part that I did. Isn't it cute? See? See this side? See? I did it. I made my birthday suit. So it took me a little less than a week to make this. I could have filmed this outro yesterday night at 10 p.m., but like, your girl was tired. So here we are. Do you love it? I love it. I love it. Like, it's been a long time since I've sewn, so this was very therapeutic. I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to get a close-up of stitching now in the great good lighting. See, all hand stitched. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself. I have a birthday outfit now, and that concludes this video. Like this video if you enjoyed me sewing things. Comment down below something you have sewn recently, or if you want to get into sewing and what kind of things you want to sew. Did I say subscribe? Subscribe. Oh, and turn on notifications because I post a video like every weekend. Sometimes on Friday, sometimes on Saturday, or sometimes on Sunday. It depends on when I get finished editing. But today's a very exciting day outside of this, so I want to go do the other very exciting thing, which you will be seeing on this channel soon. I'm like so stoked. I think that concludes this video. You've seen the sweatpants. They're amazing. You've seen the top. I fixed it. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.